Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply echo voice effect to your video or audio in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get inside guys. First of all, I'm going to add this video to my project and I'm going to apply the voice effect. You can go to the audio menu here and you're going to go to the voice changer, and here you will find the echo voice effect in the voice filters menu. So you can choose the voice filters and you can select this effect, this echo effect, and make sure you have internet connection because we need internet connection to download this effect. Okay, and here you can customize the delay time and the key factor. I'm just going to increase the delay time. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how we can add echo voice effect to our video or audio in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!